All right, so first thing I'm gonna start off with is removing the visors. Okay, well, we need to do that. Just 3 screws. That should be it. Something was living in here at one point. So get the seat belts removed, the windlass that went across here. Some of the headliner is still kind of hanging on, so I gotta really just pick at it, clean like these corners where something built a nest, and then probably just go ahead and start sanding all of this down, getting it clean, and then paint it black.